Maria's Magic School. This is a carrot. Yummy potato. Juicy tomato. Onion. Cabbage. Cauliflower. A tiny tree broccoli. Spinach. Lettuce. Cool cucumber. Peas with small green balls. Corn. Purple and shiny eggplant. Big round pumpkin. Zucchini. Radish. Juicy beetroot. Colorful bell pepper. Sweet potato. Skinny green beans. Ladyfinger. Turnip. Celery. Yummy mushroom. Garlic. Ginger. That's kale. Asparagus. Bitter gourd. And that's bottle gourd. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like for more fun videos.